while maintaining proper form and technique. Good. Good over there, Delu. Try to keep those elbows in between. So good. Really try to move those knees out your way. Good. Same thing, Sharon. Take a deep breath. Good. Elbow. There you go. Good job. Excellent job. Kim, same thing. Good job, Kim. Just try to stay. There you go. Good. Excellent. Perfect. Good. Excellent. 5 and walk it back in. Excellent job.